everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you today something really fun. I'm really enjoying this. Paw Ply Guys did an auction, and during the auction, Rose Likes Crochet won the bid on an item, and she had the person send part of what she won to me. Oh my goodness, she didn't have to do that. So I have the item here of what she had sent to me. So I'm going to share it with you guys. This is super exciting. So the person who donated the item to be auctioned wants to remain anonymous, which is, you know, perfectly understandable. You know, some people want to remain anonymous, so that's fine. Let me move that out of the way. Okay, so we've got some amazing things here. This is like super cool. So let's start off with this is nice. This is beautiful. Look at that. Wow, the camera's not even doing that any justice. It is Flash by Classic Elite Yarns. Let's see if I can get the details on it. It is marbled cotton. Right there. But isn't that beautiful? Isn't that gorgeous? That is beautiful, and it's so soft. I love the colors. Oh my gosh. Then she sent me some Cherry Tree Hill. Right there. And it's fingering. 450 yards. It's called Quarry Hill. This is called Quarry Hill. And isn't that beautiful? And it is so soft. But look at how beautiful that is. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And then I'm overwhelmed with what else is here. I love it. And I don't know which one to start with. I'm going to show you through the wrapper because I don't want to open them. These are wrapped so beautifully amazing. Okay. This is Rohrspatz Wollemice. Okay. And this is called Twin. It's an 80-20. That's superwash wool and nylon. Alright. And there's 510 yards. But look at how beautiful that is. Sorry for the glare, because I don't want to take it out. But it is like a magenta color. And it is gorgeous. But look how beautiful it's wrapped. Look at the feathers. And it's got like a little candy in it. But it is a magenta color. And it is so pretty. There you go. Isn't that gorgeous? It is unbelievable. But I love the way the Wollemice packs it. Isn't that neat? So that was one. And then this one comes with a little pouch. And there's a little stitch marker in it. And here we go, the details. This is 100% superwash, and it is done by hand. It is fingering. And there it is, tells you the details. 574 yards, and it's called Orient. And you'll be able to see it's done in reds and oranges all the way up the top. There it is. Reds with the oranges. Look how bright that is. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And it's done up with the ribbon at the top. And it's got a stitch marker in there. You can feel the stitch marker. I haven't taken it out. I'm terrible. I don't. It's so prettily wrapped. I'm such a goon. I am. And then the last one is also done up with a ribbon. And it is also done the same way. 100% superwash merino. And it's oxidant. And it is the same specs. The 574 yards. But look at these. I gotta get a hold of it where it's not glaring as bad. And it is done in blues. It is stunning. And look, and then you get down, and then there's greens. So it's done in blues and greens. I can hold it the other way so you can see the greens. There's green in there. It is beautiful. I absolutely love it. You can see kind of the way the Volamice does their labels. Now, I'm pronouncing it Volamice because this is a German name. Okay. So it's Rohrspot Volamice. And these colors are stunning. Talk about getting a beautiful shawl out of this. Or some gorgeous socks. I love that. The lighter blue down to the green. You've got the darker blue in here. These are absolutely amazing. She did put in a card for me. Yeah, it's an actual card. And she is unbelievable. I love this. She is super amazing. And yes, I'm keeping her anonymous. She is super amazing. And Rose, thank you so much, Rose. I just don't know how to thank you enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are super amazing. Make sure you're following Rose Loves Crochet. She's awesome. She is amazeballs. I'm linking Rose down below. And thank you for the anonymous donor. She's amazeballs. But in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.